Despite its prestigious pedigree, the BMW F30 is not without its quirks that make it, well, an F30. Regardless if you're planning on buying one, already have one, or just want to see what people with the F30 have to go through, here are the top 7 quirks and unique features of the F30, the BMW 3 Series made from 2012 to 2019. While the headlights appear to be more chiseled and refined compared to the E90 predecessor, the performance was anything but next generation. In the US, the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, or IIHS, rated the halogen and LED headlights as poor and the adaptive headlights as just acceptable. At the start of the generation, the halogen headlights were actually rated the worst headlights of all cars tested by the IIHS that year. Ouch. Seals and weather stripping are all over modern vehicles. They keep water, wind, and debris out of where it's not supposed to be. While over time, these fail in all vehicles, if you have an F30, you know the cowl seal fails spectacularly. If you keep your car outside, these crack and literally fall apart in chunks. Thankfully, this can be fixed with DIY methods or replacing the cowl panel. Calling someone sticky fingers used to mean they were a thief. Now, it could just mean you drive an F30. Each time you close your door, you're probably interacting with your impressively trimmed handle. Well, at least on the side facing you. On the other side, BMW's material choice degrades over time, becoming gummy and sticky. Not only does it feel nasty, but then you transfer that to other parts of your car and potentially your clothing. Gross. Thankfully, these parts are also easily replaceable. Jeez, this is becoming that for us, isn't it? Anyway, if you need new ones, check out the description. Vehicles from around this time really started to rely on key fobs being needed for everything. The F30 is no exception. If you want to unlock your doors or trunk from the outside, you better have your fob. There is one backup mechanical lock, but ours snapped and pulled out last time we even tried to use it. With BMW having their batteries in the trunk, have fun if your battery dies. Your rear doors also won't unlock if you have auto lock on after you park, forcing you to use the fob since the central lock button won't work, which can be inconvenient and annoying if you're in a rush. Brake dust sucks. While more a BMW quirk in general, it appears to be most noticeable on an F30 for whatever reason. Yay! While all vehicles are prone to this, it seems the F30 wheels generally turn black after about a week. Many claim BMW brake pads simply cause excessive dust, and this leads to very unsightly results. Better get your car wash membership renewed. As cars age, interiors make more noise. That's the way of life, but this German sedan seems to say "hold my schnitzel" and does the dance of 1,000 rattles as time goes on. The rear shelf, door panels, dashboard, and other locations all have their unique auditory abnormalities. While again, this isn't unusual for cars as they age, I think we would all expect better from a BMW that's not even super old yet. Mechanical problems plague all vehicles at some point, and while we could be slick and talk about oil leaks, the F30 has a far more detrimental issue: timing chains. N47 2-liter diesel and early N20 2-liter gasoline engines are prone to premature timing chain failure, and we're talking far below 100,000 miles. If you have an F30 made before 2015, you might want to look into replacing them before they fail. While expensive to do, it's exponentially more expensive to fix it if they stretch, snap, and your engine jumps timing. So there you have it. Those are the top 7 quirks for the BMW F30. Did we miss any? Let us know and share your stories in the comments. But as always, for more tips and tricks, product reviews, and so much more for BMWs, Minis, and Supras, make sure you hit subscribe and don't forget to ring that bell. Want to know what's happening first? Head on over to our site and sign up for our newsletter. And hey, don't forget to check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok as well. Thanks for watching.